Hello everyone, so here I am to give you some information on stock market and very important information. So new traders and investor, the people who really wanted to make it money in stock market, they must have to watch this video. This is something which I am making especially for you and you only, because let me tell you, see, stock market is all about a trend. Okay, and unless if you understand this trend, you cannot make any profit. This is something which is very clear. For that the reason you understand this, these are something which you can take it as a basic thing in a stock market. So let me tell you, the trend is something. Take example, if the month starts in green, okay, means if the month opens in positive, okay, take example, if Nifty or Sensex hit some 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 points kind of green, let me tell you, that month, complete month also ends in green only. I believe hardly in some days you may see the downtrend for 1 or 2 days, but you will be definitely going to make lots of money if the month starts in green. In the same way, if the week starts in green, positive, okay, in the same week also, for the 5 days, starts from Monday to Friday, you can also make it lots of money. So every trader and investor must know this thing, especially traders, because investors are something who holds the money in a market, but traders are something who books the money on a daily side. So for them I am telling this. So understand the trend, and today I'll show you some of the stocks which have performed really great. Okay, just watch out guys. As you can see, I have opened it Nifty 50 here. Okay, and check these stocks. Adani Enterprises have hits 7%, Ports 6.31%. Okay, even the large caps have performed really and a great today. Other than that, if you see Nifty small cap 100, let me show you guys here. Today is very great, and all the stocks have performed really good. And people who have kept some good stocks, I mean people who have keeping it some good stocks, definitely making it profits here. You can check it the mid cap 50 as well. Okay, look into it once. This is something a mid cap 50 stocks. Look, all the stocks have performed really great. And check the circuit part also. Okay, it's 5%, 2%, 3%, okay, like that. And if I'll show you Nifty small cap stocks today, it is something some of the stocks have did really great today. Look, Aarti Industries 6%, Apar Industries 5%, Angel One 3%, like that. Not only this, see, some of the stocks have performed really beautiful today. Okay, so what I'm telling to you is not only this. Okay, every day morning, okay, we recommend some of the stocks to our WhatsApp follow-ups. I'll just iterate few stocks. You can check the circuit, how it's hitting. Okay, now let me enter my first one, 63 Moons Technologies. Now you guys can check it, the bracket. Here you go. See, it's almost hits 5%. Okay, not only this, I can show you something more as well. Okay, now this is my second stock. You guys can check it. Okay, Dynamic Cables. This is my stock which I recommended in the morning today. This is my second stock which I recommended today, Dynamic Cables. As you can see, it hits 5% plus. And here we go, the third stock which I have mentioned given in the morning today, Bharat Dynamics. See, it hits 5% again. So that's how, you can say, check the trend also if you want. From last 3 days, this particular stock is hitting 5% circuit only. So that's how, so if you give us some time, and if you follow our group, okay, we'll definitely going to give you an best recommended stocks where you can make it lots of money. So join us, okay, and anything will be there, we'll be contacting you personally. Thank you so much.